guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you guys I think one of the best tips that I have to make sure that your bags are clean, your bags look good, and God forbid in case something happens to them, you're able to make sure they look right and fix the issue. What am I talking about? This little bad boy right here. Amazing. Yep. Good old-fashioned magic eraser by Mr. Clean. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm talking about. So right here I have this that is, oh my God, like one of my holy grails. I waited years and years to get this. It is the Louis Vuitton Boss 4 backpack. Ugh. Can't really find it new anymore. It has been discontinued on the Louis Vuitton website, but you can find it resale, and y'all know how much I like resale items. So you'll be able to find this at a consignment store or a resale site. But I want to show you guys how I ended up getting a really good deal on this bag, because it had these little marks on them that they didn't know I would know how to take care of. So in the pocket right here, I'm going to show you guys, there is a white line. Before there was like 2 or 3, but I cleaned them off. So can you guys see right here? Can't really see it with the light, but there it is. I've already removed 2 of the lines that previously were on here, and I left this because I was like, dude, I have to share it with someone. Like, nobody's gonna believe that, you know, this was actually fixed by a magic eraser, but it was. So let's get started. What I've done is I got my magic eraser, I got the tip wet, and I kind of squeezed out the excess water, okay? So I'm going to try and do this on camera so you guys can see. There it is, okay? And there it is. Can you guys see it? Right here. Get the tip. Gently. Go back and forth in little circles. You guys see it? And I'm doing this on camera so you guys don't think that I'm lying over here. Right here. See that? And circles, and it does not damage the canvas. I don't know if it was paint, I don't know if it was whiteout, I don't know what it was, but check this out. It is completely gone. And now I'm just gonna wait till it dries. But on camera, guys, it's completely gone. Yep. Oh my God, crazy. And that's it. Can you guys see that? It is completely gone. I don't know if it was a stain that it got from like scraping, you know, a wall or anything like that, but it was not damaged. It was not peeled. It didn't reach the end or the back of the canvas. So, you know, this is a score. And look, right here, there's another one. So I'm telling you, like someone bumped into something. Can you guys see that one right there? Okay, so again, I'm gonna go in with the part of the magic eraser that I had gotten damp and just go back and forth. And remember, canvas is like grainy, so you have to go side to side, round and round, up and down to make sure you get into all the little crevices. You guys, it is gone. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? Save yourself some money. If you're buying it used, barter, because y'all know I'm about that life, and tell them, hey, you know, it has a little stain. Give it to me for less money and I'll take care of it. And there you go, guys. This, at least this side that was stained or damaged, is no longer damaged. I would not try the magic eraser on raw leather like vachetta. I haven't done that, and I don't want to go ahead and test it because everything around here for this specific bag is really apparent. But I was able to remove those paint, whiteout, whatever it was, scuffs away from the canvas, leaving it amazing and clean. It's perfect to use on canvas. As with everything, buyer beware, use as caution, use as your own risk. I would advise you to go ahead and first try it out on the smallest little side where, God forbid, in case it were to leave like some weird discoloration or damage, it wouldn't really be noticeable. So just try it, give it a little work, up, down, round and rounds. Wait till it dries, and you know, you'll be able to tell immediately if it's working or not. So I hope this saves you some money. I hope this saves you some heartache in case you stained. I would try it for also color transfer or anything like that. I fortunately don't have anything on my bags that's like color transfer that I can kind of show you guys, but like you've seen, you know, it took out some type of paint, whiteout, or scratch from just normal wear and use of the bag. I've done this on Damier Azur, I've done this on Damier Ebene with no problem, and now, you know, I'm 100% happy that my bag looks nice and clean with absolutely no scratches and no weird scuffs and marks. So give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you all in the next video.